Sell timeshare. Is it laborious to earn? My answer would be a blunt no to it. In the present scenario, when the options are like timeshare resale are available to you, earning is not at all a laborious or a difficult process. You can easily buy a part of a resort or a condo and make full use of it to earn. Buying a timeshare, selling a timeshare, and renting it out are some of the services that we offered you with. The best part of it is that you can sell timeshare free. Contact us now and we'll tell you how to sell a timeshare. The rates of the timeshare are fluctuating, so hurry pick up us the phone or send us a mail or contact us now anyhow to own a valuable timeshare at a reasonable price. Nowadays, a large number of people are flooding into the timeshare business, which is leading to an increase in the prices of the timeshares. So hurry and jump into the sea of profits. Brought to you by www.webuytimeshares.org.